It's a cold, rainy day here in East Tennessee. Last week has been gorgeous. But yesterday and today we've been flooded out. Horses got out for about an hour yesterday, but today they're staying in. It's just wet and sloppy. So I've been amusing them, as usual. But they amuse me more than I amuse them. I thought I would give everybody some carrots. It's almost lunchtime, so pretty soon they'll all get their lunch. Hey, Cadence. Pootie, you want your carrots? Oh, yes, he says. I love that crunch. I think it's one of the best sounds in the whole world. He says, oh, it's so good, thank you. Hey, Misty. Hey, sweetie, want your carrots? Says, yum. I see you, Annie Banani. Hey, Banani, what you doing? This is a stall that Jay's getting ready to work on. He's already done a couple of others. You can see the steel kick plate along the bottom needs to be replaced, rusting out. So he's going to be working on that all this week while he's on spring break. Hey, sweetie. What you doing? Huh? Want to say hi? You want to say hi? No. You want your sugar? You got your sugar. There. Oh, that's it. Oh, what are you doing? Huh? Huh? Does my hand taste good? Oh, yes, I know. Are you getting bored? Huh? Oh. Let's go see Auntie Allegra. Allegra absolutely adores her window. She will stand there all day long and watch out. I guess it's kind of like her television. Want carrots, sweetie? Huh? Crunch, crunch, crunch. What? Are you going to lick the camera? Huh? What about your mama over here? Alora's down here because her stall is the one that Jay's getting ready to work on. You get your carrots? Yes, I thank you. Nobody's been groomed yet this morning, so they all still look a little rough. Yeah, we'll do that in a little while. I love to groom. One of my favorite things. One of them. Okay, let's close your stall. And get ready for lunch. Yeah, I'm going to get it, Mama. How about you, Annie Banani? Annie! Hey, Mushy. She looks a little sleepy. Probably in a little while after she eats her lunch. She's just so precious. She'll lay down and take her little baby nap. Yeah, won't you? Because you're still a baby. Yes, you are. You're big for your age. Sometimes we forget how little you still are. He's so quiet. What are you doing, Cadence? Huh? We can leave his door open. I can open it all the way, and he will not step over the threshold. He just won't do that. He's got such manners. Yes, you do. You have awesome manners. I know. And you're a good kisser, too, aren't you? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Well, I don't have any more carrots. You can lick my hand. So we'll go in and get everyone's lunches. We're going to have to put some hot water in little Miss Annie's, making her oatmeal. You can see my mess in the thing, carrots and buckets, and 3 other lunches right here. And then Allegra's the only one that's not getting a lunch. She doesn't really need any extra weight or extra help. Yes. Let's all chat. Okay. Want your lunch? Back up. Okay, buddy. Dig in. You're not sure? Sometimes he'll wait until everyone else gets their lunch because he's very interested in what's going on. Okay, Misty. You want yours? Oh, Annie! Yours is coming. It's coming. Come on. You can hear Annie's little baby voice down there. It's pretty much stayed the same. She doesn't have a big girl voice yet. I think I'll cry the day she has a big girl voice. I see you. I see you, monkey. I see you waiting. It's coming. Are you just too busy watching? I'm too busy watching to eat? Okay. Oh. Who's here? Jay's here. Jay's here. Okay. Give out some other lunches. Want your lunch, Mama? Laura's 27. She's got some health problems. She's got arthritis, thyroid problems. So we are... Gotta clean out your feeder. Trying to pump up her immune system a little bit. She gets some extra vitamins and things like that. Okay, come on. Yes, that's exciting. I get excited when I eat too. Oh, that's so good. Where's your lunch, Annie? You ready for your lunch? Are you getting mad because you didn't get fed yet? Huh? What do you think, Annie? Don't want my lunch too. Oh, there's the head roll. That's here. We'll show Annie being mad for a minute. You want your lunch? Yep. That's Annie's little thing when she's not happy about